how to convert your 2D images to 3D extrusion, your beveled images for your CNG or your 3D printer. What we need, you open Blender, you will have cube, just delete them, and then go to File, Import. There is two options, SVG as grease pencil, don't use that, you don't need that. You need scalable vector graphic, SVG file. To get SVG file, you will need also Inkscape program. That is really good to make some tracing of your images. We go to scaling, and I put some angelic sigil as scalable graphic, as you see. And the thing is, how can I make it 3D extruded without any headache? So it's very easy. You go to this right side, as you see here, this green weird line data, press on it and extrude it. Let's say one time. And now you have your 3D, 3D or printable image that you get from your 2D, from your Photoshop or Inkscape or other writings or some symbols, your logo. It's so easy. You don't also need anything like Solidify or other modifiers. It's just good so. If you slice it and change options in your slicer, making good infill, that will give you very nice object. You can also change it to 3D here. You don't need that, but in this case you will get traces, so the places are empty. You need 2D option here, and as you see, it's beautiful. So you can go here and just convert to mesh if you need to edit anything, and as you see, there is no errors. Slicer accepts it. Sometimes if you need some repairing, just use Windows 3D program, it repairs it automatically. But normally there is no any errors. So thanks for watching.